Good morning, everyone. Vinny here. We're going to be doing another help video on Moo Social Installation. Here we go. I've already had a site set up. I've made the database in my ISP, so we should be all set there. And like step one, it's saying everything is okay. So let's move on to step two. Here we go, step two, database configuration, and hopefully at this time you set up everything with your ISP, the database, and created a database and a database user. So what we're going to do is we have the database username here. I'm going to put the database username in here, and I'm going to go on to the password. Okay, database name is and the rest of the things right here, it even tells you just leave them empty unless you have some kind of special preferences. But other than that, just go ahead and hit the next key. Now we're going on to step three, site name, and this is going to be the Moo test site. Email, I'll put my current email. And time zone, which I always have a problem finding Eastern Standard Time, so give me that. Oh, there it is right there. This is very easy so far. Moo Social has made this installation very easy after uploading all the files and making your database. So now, root admin. This is very important. Make sure all the steps you put in here you actually remember, because you won't be able to get into your site if you don't. Okay, I'm just going to put in current name, email, let's put that right in, and we're going to create a password, and it's going to confirm that password. Again, time zone Eastern Standard Time. If you're done with all of this, go ahead and hit next. Congratulations, this setup is not bad for Moo Social. Very easy setup. So let's go ahead and click. We'll go to our home page. There it is. So let's go ahead and log into our site, make sure everything is proper. Oh, here we go right here. And we're just going to go ahead and put the password in. There we go. Brand new site, version 3.0. There's nothing wrong with this installation. Very easy installation. So let's go ahead and we'll click here. Let's get into the admin dashboard. Eventually. Come on. You want to go. There it is. Spingola@gmail.com. And we'll go ahead and log into the admin dashboard. There we go. All set. Let's bring it back up to the main site. That's all there is to it. I mean, what did it take? After you set up, upload all your files, and you set up your database, you're talking maybe a 3-minute installation, and a lot of the work is done for you. If you have any other questions, I'll try to help you, or you can go with Moo Social support team. They'll be glad to help you. But that's all there is for this video today. Have a wonderful day and enjoy.